Welcome, here I've got Honor View 20 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. As you can see, it gives us access to the advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on this one, photo settings. At the first place here we have the aspect ratio, so when we tap on this we can easily change it. For now it was the 4:3, which was the recommended one. I can easily change it to the 1:1 to show you. And let's go back to the camera. So this is the square one. This is how it looks like in the camera preview. And let's go back again to the settings and to aspect ratio. One of the choice we can make is the full screen also here. So let's go back to the camera again. So this is how it looks like. And of course, by going again to this and to aspect ratio, here we can go back to 4:3, which was the recommended one here. So this is how it works and this is how it changes. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.